reason too. They instantly liven up any makeup look, are super versatile products, and are very easy to use for beginners as well. To continue with our affordable makeup series, I decided to put together 5 of my absolute favorite blushes for you today, and hopefully one of these is definitely going to find a place amongst your beauty staples. So let's begin. Type blush in the comments below to get a list of some more beautiful blushes and tools to apply them correctly. Since these blushes come in a variety of forms, may it be liquid, powder or cream, today I decided to pick out the best of the best in each category. All of these suit different skin types, and they're especially made to suit our beautiful Indian skin tones, so you can buy any of these without a worry. This powder blush comes in 10 beautiful shades, so there's something for every one of you, whether you're deep-skinned or fair. But the shade I've picked today is specifically one that looks amazing on dusky skin tones. The formula is soft yet pigmented, smooth yet buildable, and lasts for hours together without moving. I like to use a fluffy brush to apply this product, and the way I go about it is start from my cheekbones and move upwards and outwards towards my temples to give myself a beautiful natural flush for a no makeup look, or a chiseled contour for a dramatic feel. This product is non-comedogenic, so it's great for our humid weather and can be easily used for those with oily or sensitive skin. Now I have 2 favorites when it comes to this makeup product. The first being its smooth formula and amazing blendability, and the second being that it actually comes in a stick form, so it's very travel friendly. It's not going to leak like an eyeliner or crack like your compact powder. All you need to do is just drop it in your bag. Cream blushes are perfect for beginners because they leave behind a very natural tint, and you can actually take your time to apply and blend them without having to worry about streaks or blotches being left behind on your cheekbones. The way I like to use it is I roll up the stick, take a little bit onto my fingertips for hygienic purposes, and then pat it onto the areas that I wish to cover. I normally do my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose for that beautiful flush. Liquid formulas are one of my favorites to use because they're easy to apply, set to a powder consistency after a few seconds, and last all day long. This one has a thick, rich, mousse-like consistency that I like to use as a flush of color on my cheeks, as a matte lipstick for my lips, and a long-lasting budge-proof shadow on the lids. Just remember that you need to work quickly with self-setting products like this one, so I would suggest working on one small area at a time to avoid any blotches or patches and achieve a flawless finish. If you have a quick office meeting or a family get-together on Zoom, all you need is this one product to look absolutely put together. I had to add this one in for my makeup enthusiasts out there that are just diving into the world of makeup, because this was actually one of the first palettes that I purchased and used when I was training to become a makeup artist. This particular one has extremely warm tone shades, so they suit our Indian skin tones beautifully. The lightest one is perfect for fair skin. The medium one works great for people like me that have a dusky skin tone. And the last one looks beautiful for people that have deeper skin tones. So basically, you've got everyone covered in just one palette. How great is it that it also comes with a lovely warm gold highlighter shade. So basically, you've got 4 products at the price of 1. Once again, since it's a powder product, I like to use a small fluffy brush in circular motions to apply the blush onto my cheekbones, and I use a nice fan brush to apply my highlight, or sometimes even my fingers. In a world that's slowly making a shift towards greener and cleaner beauty, Ruby's Organics is a brand that has definitely made its mark as one of the go-to organic brands in India right now. I know it's not very affordable, but I thought I would definitely throw this in for those of y'all that are making the shift to toxin, chemical-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free and cruelty-free beauty. This cream blush is infused with a mixture of pigment and skincare that gives you a beautiful healthy dose of color. Just like I did with my stick blush, I like to apply this cream blush using my fingertips in a pattern motion. It's super easy to blend and comes in shades that beautifully suit Indian skin. We hope these beauty staples become a part of your everyday routine as you start loving them as much as I do. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.